How you going, guys? So I just thought I'd do a spare moment. I'm just doing a couple of product reviews. So the one I want to talk about on this video is this Upol Rapid Glaze. So far, I'm really wrapped with it. I'd highly recommend it. I'll just turn the camera around and I'll have to talk a bit more about it so you can see it. So yeah, so far, I've been using it around the front of that Jag. Haven't got any further into the doors or anything yet, but so far I've been really happy with it. It works really well, goes off fairly quick, only in a few minutes, like 6 to 8 minutes, obviously in reasonable sort of temperature, but even in cooler temperatures, like, it still goes off pretty quick, like 15-20 minutes, like, and I'm talking like sort of below sort of 10 degrees C. It'll still go off. This compared with the Dolphin Glaze, to be honest, it's been a while since I used the Dolphin Glaze, but it's very similar, but its set time's obviously quite a bit slower. I think it's about 20 minutes in good temps, where this is at least more than double fast, double the speed to go off. But yeah, I would highly recommend this. Here in New Zealand, trying to think, what was about $28 for this kit, which is 880 mils, whatever that is. So that's probably sort of quart pint. Oh, that's be close to a pint of product. So yeah, I'd highly recommend that. So far it's been amazing, really good to sand. It recommends to sand with 180 to 240. Yeah, and like, you only need a little bit of hardener in it, like 2%. So yeah, it's really nice to use. To be honest, the biggest problem is it's been a while since I've used the Dolphin Glaze, so it's quite hard to compare. But from memory, like, this is probably just as nice to use as that, if not better. And obviously, because it goes off quicker, it speeds up your working time. You've got less downtime, which is not really a problem if you're sort of working around a car and you're trying to do the whole thing at once, and you've sort of in that last sort of steps. But if you're just working on a couple of panels at a time, this is really good, because it's going off by the time you've sort of done one panel and you've gone to the next. By the sort of time you've sort of finished getting all your little bits done, your first panel's bloody near dry. Within a few minutes it should be dry, and then you can start knocking that off again, and then you can repeat the process if you need to. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it. To be honest, I'd really like to try the Evercoat one that's in that sort of squeezy tub. I've never used that, but I like Evercoat's body fillers. I've used the Rage Gold and that sort of stuff, so I'd like to try the Evercoat one, but hopefully at some point I'll get to try that. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, this is a really nice product. So Upol Rapid System Glaze, and it's the RS6208. So yeah, really nice product. Just trying to see if there's anything else on here. Trying to sort of, not you can probably really sort of see much, but I'll just give you a quick slow go down here, and then if there's anything there you want to read, you might better read it. This is a reasonably new product. I think it's only been around a couple of years, but yeah, it is really nice. I like it. It's good. Way far more advanced than some of those old tubes of Red Spot Putty or whatever, like they used to be around years ago. But yeah, I would recommend that, or even the Dolphin Glaze. Like, if you can't find this and you can find the Dolphin Glaze, I would get the Dolphin Glaze. I wouldn't hesitate. But if you can got the choice, and depending obviously on your cost, but yeah, I would get this, if you can. If there's not a lot of difference in price, to be honest, I can't remember. But yeah, that was in New Zealand where I got this from Rome Core Tools. It was about 28, 26 bucks or something like that for that. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it. Cheers guys, and we'll see you in the next one.